उसे अच्छी तरह से समझा दो। एक्सप्लेन इट टू हिम प्रॉपरली। एक्सप्लेन इट टू हिम प्रॉपरली। तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे क्या? विल यू कम विथ मी? विल यू कम विथ मी? यह तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट। दिस इज नॉट योर फॉल्ट। आज मेरा इंटरव्यू है। टुडे इज माई इंटरव्यू। टुडे इज माई इंटरव्यू। आज मुझे इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना है। टुडे आई हैव टू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू। टुडे आई हैव टू गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू। तुम कॉलेज जाकर क्या करोगे? What will you do in college? What will you do in college? लोगों ने उसे नहीं पहचाना। People didn't recognize him. People didn't recognize him. मुझे कोई नहीं समझता। No one can understand. No one can understand. तुम उस पर क्यों हंस रहे हो? Why are you laughing at him? Why are you laughing at him? मैं उसको पहले से जानता हूँ। I already know him. I already know him. वह मुझसे रूठ गया है। He is angry with me. He is angry with me. मैं तुम्हारे साथ रहना चाहता हूँ। I want to live with you. I want to live with you. इसके लिए उसे मनाओ। Convince him for it. Convince him for it. मुझे पार्क में ले चलो। Take me to the park. Take me to the park. भाई घूम फिर क्या रही है? मैं किराए पर रह रहा हूँ। I am living on rent. I am living on rent. वह मुझे छेड़ रहा है। He is teasing me. He is teasing me. अपनी आंखें खुली रखो। Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. मैं एक बार वहां गया था। I had been there once. I had been there once. उसे इतनी आजादी मत दो। Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. तुम यहाँ से चले बनो। You walk away from here. You walk away from here. आप होश में तो हो? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? तुम मेरे दोस्त नहीं हो सकते। You can't be my friend. You can't be my friend. तुम मुझे कैसे भूल सकते हो? How can you forget me? How can you forget me? वह मेरी तरफ देख रहा था। He was looking at me. He was looking at me. वे तुम्हारी तारीफ कर रहे थे। They were praising you. They were praising you. हवा चल रही थी। The wind was blowing. The wind was blowing. वह रसोई घर में बैठी थी। She was sitting in the kitchen. She was sitting in the kitchen. उसने नया ड्रेस पहना हुआ था। She was wearing a new dress. She was wearing a new dress. आप मेरे जीवन में बहार लेकर आए हैं। You have brought fortune to my life. You have brought fortune to my life. मुझे इन पर शक हो रहा है। I am getting suspicious of them. I am getting suspicious of them. कागज पर पैर मत रखना। Don't step on the paper. Don't step on the paper. वह कुछ दिनों का मेहमान है। His days are numbered. His days are numbered. तुम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते। You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine. मेरे रास्ते से हट जाओ। Move out of my way. Move out of my way. मुझसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you talking to me? Why are you talking to me? क्या तुम्हें गुस्सा आ रहा है? Are you getting angry? Are you getting angry? आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry? Why are you getting angry? मैं तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं सका। I could not understand you. I could not understand you. तुम्हारी मेहनत रंग लाई. Your hard work paid off. Your hard work paid off. उसे बहुत छींकें आ रही है. He is sneezing a lot. He is sneezing a lot. मुझसे जुबान मत लड़ाओ. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगा. I will not talk to you. I will not talk to you. यहाँ मेरा दम घुट रहा है. I am feeling suffocated here. I am feeling suffocated here. ज्यादा उसकी तरफदारी मत करो. Don't favor him too much. Don't favor him too much. ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. वह बहुत सावधान हो गया है. He has become very cautious. He has become very cautious. मैं उसे निराश नहीं कर सकता. I cannot disappoint him. I cannot disappoint him. मैं उससे दोस्ती करना चाहता हूँ. I want to be friends with him. I want to be friends with him. वह बहुत आत्मविश्वासी है. He is very confident. He is very confident. मैं उससे प्रेरित होता हूँ. I get inspired by him. I get inspired by him. मैं उसे अपना आदर्श मानता हूँ. I consider him my role model. I consider him my role model. मैं उसे भोजन बनाना सिखा रहा हूँ. I teaching him how to cook food. I teaching him how to cook food. मैं उससे बहुत खुलकर बात करता हूँ. I talk to him very openly. I talk to him very openly. मैं उससे बहुत निराश हुआ हूँ. I am very disappointed with him. I am very disappointed with him. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. तुम्हें अभी तुरंत जाना होगा. You will have to go right now. You will have to go right now. क्या तुम उसका साथ दे सकते हो? Can you do support him? Can you do support him? वह यहाँ रोज आती है. She comes here every day. She comes here every day. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहती हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? मैं उससे बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. वह बहुत गंभीर हो गया है. He has become very serious. He has become very serious. मैं तुम्हें भूल चुका हूँ. I have forgotten you. I have forgotten you. मैं सब कुछ भूल चुका हूँ. I have forgotten everything. I have forgotten everything. ठीक है, चलो देखते हैं. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. हो सके तो मुझे माफ कर देना. Forgive me if you can. Forgive me if you can. सफल होने का यही एक मार्ग है. This is the only way to succeed. This is the only way to succeed. उसने मुझे रिश्वत देने की कोशिश की. He tried to bribe me. He tried to bribe me. उसने हमें सावधान रहने की चेतावनी दी. He warned us to stay alone. He warned us to stay alone. हमें जीतने की उम्मीद है. We hope to win. We hope to win. उसे वहां अकेले जाने में डर लगता है. He fears to go there alone. He fears to go there alone. मैं समय पर आने की कोशिश करूंगा. I will try to come on time. I will try to come on time. मैंने उसे इंतजार करने के लिए कहा. I told him to wait. I told him to wait. उसी ने यहाँ मुझे भेजा है. He has sent me here. He has sent me here. वह अक्सर कहा करती थी. She often used to say. She often used to say. तुम तो ऐसे कभी नहीं थे. You were never like this. You were never like this. तुम्हें यह समाचार कब मिला? When did you get this news? When did you get this news? मैं यहाँ तुम्हारी सलाह लेने आया हूँ। I came here to get your advice. I came here to get your advice. तुम्हारी चाय ठंडी हो रही है। Your tea is getting cold. Your tea is getting cold. कुर्सी से अपना पाँव हटाओ। Get your foot off the chair. Get your foot off the chair. ऐसा समाचार बड़ी तेजी से फैलता है। Such news gets round very fast. Such news gets round very fast. मेरी बुराई ढूंढना बंद करो। Stop finding my evil. Stop finding my evil. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की। He never cared for me. He never cared for me. मुझे पूछने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use asking me. It's no use asking me. मैंने तुम्हें कल कॉल किया था। I called you yesterday. I called you yesterday. तुम मेरे से बात क्यों नहीं करती? Why don't you talk to me? Why don't you talk to me? तुम मेरी परवाह नहीं करते। You don't care about me. You don't care about me. यहाँ किस काम से आए हो? What brings you here? What brings you here? किसी के साथ बदतमीजी ना करो। Don't be rude to anyone. Don't be rude to anyone. इंग्लिश बोलने में संकोच ना करो। Don't be shy to speak English. Don't be shy to speak English. वे हम पर भरोसा नहीं करेंगे। They will not believe us. They will not believe us. वे हमारी बेइज्जती करना चाहते हैं। They want to humiliate us. They want to humiliate us. तुमने मुझे यहाँ क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call me here? Why did you call me here? अब कैसे भी बात को निपटाओ। Now settle the matter somehow. Now settle the matter somehow. मुझसे दोबारा बात मत करना। Don't talk to me again. Don't talk to me again. यह दोबारा मुंह से मत निकालना। Don't utter it again. Don't utter it again. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. आपका हुक्म सिर आंखों पर। Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा। I will always be with you. I will always be with you. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। This is not my responsibility. This is not my responsibility. क्या मेरे लिए कोई काम नहीं है? Is there no work for me? Is there no work for me? मैं अपने आप से नाराज हूँ। I am upset with myself. I am upset with myself. वह आजकल बहुत व्यस्त है। He is very busy these days. He is very busy these days. वह बहुत खुश हो गया है। He has become very happy. He has become very happy. वह बहुत सारे सवाल करता है। He asks a lot of question. He asks a lot of question. तुम इसे नकार नहीं सकते। You cannot deny it. You cannot deny it. मैंने उससे पहली दफा देखा। I saw her for the first time. I saw her for the first time. यह काम अधूरा है। This work is incomplete. This work is incomplete. मुझे थोड़ा सा वक्त दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. वह मुझसे बात नहीं करता है। He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't talk to me. मैं उसके सामने घबरा गया। I got nervous in front of him. I got nervous in front of him. कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है। Something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. मन कर रहा है सो जाओ। I feel like sleeping. I feel like sleeping. बहुत हो गया अब हंसना बंद करो। It's enough, now stop laughing. It's enough, Now stop laughing. मैं कोई मूवी देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to watch a movie. I want to watch a movie.